Welcome back, everybody, to our update for Open for this week and tomorrow, Friday. The price is kind of not deciding yet, but we're going to discuss where the price will actually jump the next time. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for educational purposes and we're not provide any financial advice. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, first of all, guys, watch out. We got Open trying to break a current level. Let me just go and open here. Yes, it's just 1% down because we got tested around the $10.96. Last time we updated the Neo was on our Discord and we discussed the major pullback zone for Open around this area. We discussed the resistance, and of course the profit taken was around around the $10. And let me just check here. Yes, we did, of course, pre-market watch list for it. And of course, we discuss the pre-market around the $10.96. We discussed this level before. And of course, right now, we have a pullback for Open yesterday, first of all, and FOMC or the Fed meeting when the price pulled back for all the stocks. We have a pullback, and the good thing is we have a big buyer around the $9.25. We reversed almost 13%, as you can see here. In after hours, almost 15%, and now holding over the 990. So this is a good reaction that we have. Huge pullback, however, we have a huge reversal at the same time. Not just for Open, but most of the stocks yesterday witnessed a huge pullback and reversal yesterday. So this is really good reaction from the market after the rate cuts. And of course, we have a good sentiment in the market. That's why the price reversed really quickly. So what we should expect for tomorrow and the rest of this month for Open, because right now it's just 1% down. And of course, we are near the top resistance around almost the $11. So this is the level that we should break, because this is the level where we tested before. And once we did almost 100%, and we have another test, I think yesterday, and now we have to break this level to go to around the 1188 as we discussed before. So for now, we have accumulation over the 990. If we held, would be better case scenario for early squeeze up toward the 1188 after we break the almost around the $11. If we didn't, it means we're gonna correct around the 925 and the 842. It means we're gonna take a bit of time to correct and break the $11. But if we held over the 990 by tomorrow and the rest of the next week, it means we're gonna break the 11 and go toward the 1188, 1330, and maybe even the $15 and $20 and the rest of of this year. So yeah, and right now we have a pullback. Yes, we don't have a huge jump for Open. However, this is kind of the quiet before the storm, because we have a huge volatility the last few days. So this is kind of normal. We have a bit of volatility slowing down after this kind of measured shift in the price action for Open. So now we're gonna have a bit of accumulation, consolidation, as long as we hold those kind of those support or the first support around the 990, which is we are actually hugging it right now, is mean we're gonna have a really quick breakout. Maybe we're gonna have this breakout after major news will hit the market like the last time, or in a pre-market gapping up over the $10.96. I will update you guys minute by minute, second by second, on our Discord and Patreon, where we do our update every time. Here, as you can see, we do major update every day, and Open was one of them. Before we discuss Open, I think on the dip, yeah, it was around the 587, the best entry for Open, where we discuss it for our hunters on the 4th of September, almost 2 weeks from now. We discussed the best entry around the 5, and right now around the 10. So technically we did 100% from this alert. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join our hunter channel. And of course, if you want to join our live streaming tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, we're going to discuss Open Live. We're going to discuss all the stocks, not just Open, all the stocks that have major shifts. We call them unicorn stocks, like pharmaceutical company have major FDA approval news, or any stock have a huge jump. We're going to discuss them and trade them, of course, together tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification button so you never miss any my future update. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.